If you think your contact is going to support you the way you want it, I'm sorry, but honestly, those people, they're just gonna watch your effort, no support at all. Even the people you feel, okay, they're my guys, they're my girls, they will just watch and keep watching till maybe you just blow up one day and they'll come with their congratulations and all of that. It's even strangers are going to support you the more. If you are having hope on your contact, okay, these people are going to go extra mile for me. I'm sorry, but they're not going to do it for you. It's even strangers that are going to help you out. They're going to push you and push you and push you. Your contacts are just waiting for the day they're going to bring congratulations to you. Life.